What if I told you that AI could be working for you right now, making money while you sleep, eat, or binge watch your favorite shows? In 2026, passive income isn't just a dream anymore. It's becoming a reality for thousands of people using artificial intelligence.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Your Name, and on this channel, we talk about practical ways to build wealth and financial freedom in the AI age. Today, we're diving deep into something everyone's talking about, using AI to create passive income streams. And I'm not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or unrealistic promises. We're going to cover real, actionable strategies that people are using right now to generate income with AI. By the end of this video, you'll understand what passive income actually means in the context of AI, 7 legitimate ways to use AI for passive income, the honest truth about effort, investment, and realistic expectations, how to get started today. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. First, let's get real about what passive actually means. True passive income is money you earn with minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. Think rental properties, dividend stocks, or digital products that sell on autopilot. But here's the truth. There's almost always some work involved. The passive part comes after you've done the upfront work to build the system. So where does AI come into this? AI tools in 2026 have become incredibly powerful at creating content at scale, automating repetitive tasks, analyzing data and finding opportunities, personalizing customer experiences, generating creative assets. The game changer is this: AI can dramatically reduce the time it takes to create income-generating assets. What used to take weeks or months can now be done in days or hours. But, and this is important, AI is a tool, not a magic money printer. You still need strategy, quality control, and business fundamentals. Digital products are the holy grail of passive income because you create them once and can sell them infinitely. With AI, the creation process has become incredibly accessible. Ebooks and guides use AI to help research, outline, and draft comprehensive guides on topics you know about. People are selling these on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, and their own websites for $10, $50 each. Templates and workbooks. Create Notion templates, Excel spreadsheets, budget planners, or business templates. AI can help you design and structure these professionally. Digital art and patterns. Generate unique art, patterns for print on demand, stock photos, or design elements that designers need. Educational courses. AI can help you script, create slides, and even generate practice exercises for online courses. Initial time investment, 20-40 hours to create a quality product. Potential monthly income, $100 $2,000 plusers, depending on niche and marketing. Key to success. Find an underserved niche, ensure quality, and market effectively. Start by identifying a problem you can solve or a need in a community you're part of. Use AI to accelerate the creation process, but add your unique expertise and voice. Quality always wins over quantity. Content is still king, and AI can help you create it faster than ever. But here's the key. You need to add human insight, personality, and expertise. YouTube channels. Use AI to research topics, write scripts, generate thumbnail ideas, and even create voiceovers. People are running faceless YouTube channels on topics like finance, health, and technology. Blogs and niche websites. AI can help you research keywords, outline articles, and draft content. Build authority in a niche, monetize through ads, affiliates, or selling products. Social media accounts. Create educational or entertaining content at scale using AI for copywriting and visual creation. Once you build an audience, add revenue, YouTube, blog ads, affiliate marketing, promoting products you believe in, sponsorships, selling your own products or services. This is not entirely passive initially. Building an audience takes 6 to 12 months of consistent effort, but once established, you can reduce your workload significantly while income continues. Monthly income potential after 12 months. $500, $10,000 plus. The key differentiator: authenticity and providing genuine value. Print on demand lets you sell custom products without holding inventory. You create designs, upload them to platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Amazon Merch, and when someone orders, the company prints and ships it. Design generation. Use AI to create unique designs, patterns, or artwork. Trend research. AI can analyze trending topics and niches. Product description writing. AI can write compelling product descriptions at scale. Market analysis. Identify what's selling and what's saturated. Research profitable niches, pet owners, nurses, specific hobbies. Use AI to generate design concepts. Refine and customize designs. Don't just use raw AI output. Upload to multiple platforms, optimize listings with keywords, scale what works. Initial setup: 10 to 20 hours. Time to first sale: 2 to 4 weeks, typically monthly income after 6 months. $200, $3,000. Success factors: niche selection, design quality, and consistency. Businesses are desperate to automate tasks and increase efficiency. If you can build AI-powered solutions, you can create serious recurring income. Custom GPTs and AI assistants. Create specialized AI tools for specific industries or tasks. Sell access via subscription AI workflow automations. Build automation templates that businesses can use, using tools like Make, Zapier with AI integrations, AI plugins or extensions. Develop tools that integrate AI capabilities into existing platforms. This is more semi-passive because you'll need to maintain and update your tools, but once built, they can generate subscription revenue with minimal daily involvement. Examples: monthly subscription, $10, $100 per user. One-time purchase tools, $50, $500 custom implementations, $500, $5,000 plusers, less passive but lucrative. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission. AI supercharges this by helping you create content and analyze opportunities at scale. Content creation. Generate product reviews, comparison articles, and buying guides faster. SEO optimization. Use AI to research keywords and optimize your content. Email sequences. Create automated email campaigns that nurture leads. Audience targeting. Analyze data to understand what your audience wants. Choose a niche you're interested in: tech, fitness, finance, etc. Build a platform, blog, YouTube channel, email list. Use AI to create high-quality content consistently. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Create helpful content that naturally includes affiliate links. Build an email list for recurring promotion opportunities. Initial investment: mostly time, 30-50 hours to start. Time to income: 3 to 6 months. Typically monthly income after 1 year. 500, 15,000 plusers, highly variable. Success factor: providing genuine value and building trust. Stock photo, video, and music sites pay creators every time their content is downloaded. AI makes it possible to create stock assets at unprecedented speed. Stock photos, AI-generated images for business use, social media, websites, vector graphics, logos, icons, illustrations, music and sound effects. AI music generators can create royalty-free tracks. Stock video, AI video generation is improving rapidly. Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Getty Images, some AI restrictions. Pond 5 for video and music. Creative Market for templates and design assets. This is a volume game. You need hundreds or thousands of assets to generate meaningful income. AI helps you create more, faster. Monthly income potential: 100, 2,000 plus, depending on portfolio size. Time investment: ongoing, but can be batched. Best approach: focus on quality and filling gaps in the market. Online education is a multi-billion-dollar industry and growing. People pay for structured learning experiences that solve specific problems. Course outline creation. AI can help structure curriculum based on learning objectives. Script writing, generate lesson scripts and talking points. Visual asset creation. Create slides, diagrams, and illustrations. Quiz and exercise generation. Develop practice questions and assignments. Course marketing. Write sales pages, email sequences, and ad copy. Identify a skill or knowledge area you're competent in. Use AI to help create a comprehensive curriculum, record video lessons, or use AI voiceovers for slide-based courses. Upload to platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare Market your course through content and ads. Earn passive income as people enroll. Time to create. 40-80 hours for a comprehensive course. Platform, Udemy. Easy start, lower prices, or self-hosted. More profit, more marketing, monthly income. $200 or $5,000 plusers depending on course quality and marketing. The key, solve a specific problem for a specific audience. Let me be completely honest with you because I see too many people selling dreams without reality checks. Effort required. There's no such thing as push a button and make money. Every method I've shared requires initial time investment, 10, 100 plus hours depending on the method, learning curve, understanding tools and platforms, quality control, AI outputs need human refinement, marketing and promotion. The best product means nothing if no one knows about it. Timeline to income. Most passive income streams take 3 to 12 months to generate meaningful income. The pattern typically looks like this. Months 1 to 3, learning, creating, minimal to no income. Months 4 to 6, first sales are revenue, but still mostly building. Months 7 to 12, income starts becoming more consistent. Year 2 plus, true passive income potential kicks in. Investment needed. While AI tools make this more accessible than ever, you'll likely need AI tool subscriptions, $2,100 month platform fees or hosting, $0.50 month marketing budget, optional but helpful, $100-500 to start. Time, your most valuable resource. Success rates. Not everyone succeeds. Like any business, 10-20% see significant income, 1,000 plus wash month. 30-40% see modest supplemental income, $100-500 month. 40-50% make little to nothing. What separates success from failure? Consistency, not giving up after a few weeks. Quality over quantity. Solving real problems, adapting and improving. Understanding that this is a business, not a lottery ticket. Let me give you a concrete path forward. Step 1. Choose one method. Don't try everything at once. Pick the method that aligns with your current skills or interests, your available time, your learning style, your comfort with marketing. Step 2. Learn the fundamentals. Week 1-2. Research successful examples in your chosen method. Learn the essential AI tools, ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, etc. Understand the platform you'll be using. Join communities where people are doing this. Step 3. Create your first asset. Week 3-6. Start small, but aim for quality. Use AI to accelerate, but add your human touch. Get feedback from friends or small test audiences. Iterate and improve. Step 4. Launch and market. Week 7-8. Put your product or content out there. Share it in relevant communities without being spammy. Use social media to build awareness. Consider a small ad budget to test traction. Step 5. Analyze and scale. Month 3 plus. Look at what's working and what isn't. Double down on successful approaches. Create more assets or content. Automate what you can. Build systems for consistency. AI writing. ChatGPT or Claude. What you're watching was researched with these. AI images. Midjourney or Leonardo. AI design. Canva with AI features. Automation. Make.com or Zapier Analytics. Google Analytics. Free. Think of this as building a business, not finding a hack. The passive part comes after you've built something valuable. Focus on serving an audience, solving problems, and providing genuine value. AI is a powerful tool that can 10x your productivity, but it can't replace strategy, creativity, and persistence. So there you have it. 7 legitimate ways to use AI to build passive income streams. We covered digital products, content creation, print on demand, automation services, affiliate marketing, stock media, and online courses. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about leveraging AI to build valuable assets that can generate income over time with decreasing active effort. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm show this to more people who could benefit. Subscribe for more content on AI, making money online, and building financial freedom. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which method are you most interested in trying? Or if you're already using AI for passive income, share your experience. I've created a free resource guide with links to all the tools I mentioned, plus a detailed checklist for getting started. The link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now go out there and start building your AI-powered passive income stream.